जेनझी जे म्हणटाय आमी आज जेनझी जेन्ना कॉक्रोच मुडले हे सरकारान आनी जेनझी जेन्ना उठले तेन्ना सगळ्यांक जेनझीचो उगड आशिल्लो पूण जेनझी पासत जेनझी रेडी करपाक बहुत थोडे जाण हें करता. सो वी आर वॉकिंग द टॉक. वी हॅव स्टार्टेड दीस लोकसेवा इंटर्नशीप 2 years बॅक आनी हो आमगेलो 3rd बॅच. सो इन दीस 3rd बॅच वी हॅव सीन टुडे दॅट तेंगेली कॉन्वोकेशन सेरेमनी आमी आज सेलिब्रेट केल्या. 60 hours इंटर्नशीप. इन 60 hours they visit the police station, electricity department, health centers, आमगे हेल्थ प्रोफायल जी आम चलयताय ते ऑल कायंड ऑफ स्किम्स कितकोन DDSSY स्किम्स कोताय, लाडली लक्ष्मी कितकोन कोताय, सगल्यो स्कीम MLA ऑफिसांचें काम चलता. गव्हर्नर्स पॅलसी विजीट केले तेमी, स्पिकरा विजीट केलो, लेजिस्लेटीव असेंब्ली विजीट केलो, रिवर साल विजीट केले. सो हें सगळें करून तेमकां एक थिसीस कोताय, ते हँड रिटन थिसीस. दॅट थिसीस वी हँड ओवर टू देम, वी हँड ओवर देम अ सर्टिफिकेट अँड टुडे वी हॅव सेलिब्रेटेड दीस ओकेजन इन अ ग्रँड वे. सो जेनझीक मुखार लिडरशीप घेवपाक तयार करपाचो हो प्रयत्न 2 वर्स पयलीं कॉमेस केलो. एंड आय थिंक पीपल शूड अंडरस्टँड जरी तरी आम भुरग्यांक अशें करून मोटिवेट केले आनी आमी जरी तांकां इनवॉल्व केले देन ओन्ली दे वील हॅव द डिझायर टू कम अँड अटेंड अँड इवन कॉन्टेस्ट अँड बिकम लिडर्स इन पॉलिटिक्स. बिसायड्स दॅट लिडर्स नॉट ऑल्सो ओन्ली इन पॉलिटिक्स बट लिडर्स इन द कम्युनिटी वीच इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. सो आज हें चोयत तें इज समथींग वीच इज व्हेरी ब्युटिफूल. आज जी भुरगीं आहाय वेरियस कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सींतलीं भुरगीं ती दे आर नॉट ओन्ली फ्रॉम बेनावलीम कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. कोण नुवें सोण आहाय, को फातोर्डा आहा, मारगांव हिंगा भुरगीं आहाय, कुडचोरी सो आहाय. सो दे आर ऑल कमिंग टू वेरियस कॉलेजीस आनी कॉलेजींतल्यान तीं भुरगीं आज इंटर्न्स करपाक येतात. सो फॉर मी इट इज अ मोमेंट ऑफ सॅटिस्फॅक्शन. फॉर देम इट इज अ मोमेंट ऑफ मेमरी. वी हॅव सीन हाऊ दे हॅव एक्सप्रेस देमसेल्स अँड आय थिंक दीस इज वॉट गोवा नीड्स. गोंयच्या सरकारान जरी तरी आज अशें करून कॉमेस केल्ले 40 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन जाल्यार सरकारा वालोर जेन्ना सरकार हे भुरग्यां कडेन वोटर जाल म्हणटरी वोट मागता आनी फर्स्ट टायम वोटर म्हणून तेंचे बरयता आनी होच वोटर आज तांकां वोट मारून अशें करून करता. आय थिंक द गव्हर्मेंट नीड्स टू टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ ऑर्गनायझींग दीस कायंड्स ऑफ विलेज लेवल वायज इंटर्नशीप. टुडे वी आर setting a trend from Benavli, and that trend will only come into governance if the people of Goa try to look at this in a bigger picture. गोंयच्या लोकांनी हें चोयन, गोंयच्या लोकांनी आम आदमी पार्टीक एक चान्स दिवपाची गरज आहा. आम आदमी पार्टी इज द ओन्ली क्रेडिबल पार्टी दॅट इज देर टुडे. आमी पार्टी सोडना आसतना, BJP वचना आसतना, उड मारना आसतना आज हें सगळें जे आमी कोण दाखयताय बाय स्टेईंग हियर. पीपल नीड टू एक्नॉलेज दीस. वी वॉन्ट एक्नॉलेजमेंट अँड वेन वी से वी वॉन्ट एक्नॉलेजमेंट म्हणजे गोंयभर आमकां लोकांगेलो मान्यताय जायो आनी आमकां मुखार सरकार 2027 घडोवपाक आमकां एक चान्स दिवपाचो हेंच मुगेलो अचीव. थँक्यू.
To be here today and share my experience as an intern. First and foremost, I would like to express a heartfelt gratitude to Honorable MLA Captain Vency Vegas for giving us this wonderful opportunity. This internship has allowed us to step beyond classrooms and experience how politics, governance and public service actually work in real life. I think one of the most memorable parts of this internship was getting opportunities that we may not have experienced otherwise. That is visiting the governor's palace and interacting with the governor, visiting Goa Legislative Assembly and getting the opportunity to interact with the Honorable Speaker. Interacting with these dignitaries was truly a special moment for all of us, and I think we will cherish it forever. Also, I would like to thank Ma'am Seema, our coordinator, for making this journey very enjoyable and comfortable for all of us. Her friendly and approachable nature has allowed us to, ask questions, learn, and share our concerns if we had any. I would also like to sincerely thank all the staff members for welcoming us, guiding us, and making us feel a part of this office. Thank you to everyone who made our journey so meaningful and special. I would like to express my profound gratitude to Sir Venzy, the office staff, Seema ma'am and Benita ma'am for giving us this opportunity to learn governance beyond our textbooks. I remember my first day at the office quite vividly. I was nervous, unsure if I had anything real to contribute to it. But for the next few days, I walked into the office with excitement and always eager to learn something new. I had some of the best experiences of my life in meeting such wonderful personalities. Honorable Governor and Speaker, police officers, healthcare workers, who are responsible in caring for our state so closely. A really big and special thank you to Seema ma'am for making us feel so comfortable and being with us through each step. Your patience and guidance meant everything to us. I would like to express my sincere thank you to the office staff for being so patient with us. Your kindness helped us to do our job better. I leave this experience being deeply grateful and greatly changed. Thank you to everyone in the office for their care.
Did not just complete tasks, he has completed them with a smile, with support of every colleague, and with a spirit that has made the entire journey special. He has shown our youth, our Gen Z, the politics is not about power for its own sake. It is about service. It's about listening. It's about standing firm and for the sake of people. Thank you, Captain Menzi Viegas, for trusting this journey, for giving it your best, and for lighting the path for new Gen Zs of Goans who now believe that honest leadership is still possible. Jai Goa, Jai Hind.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.